In this video, I'm going to show you how to export 1Password Vault. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the only way to do this is to go ahead and download and install the 1Password application on your device. So I've got Windows. So do that, and then from here, we need to go ahead and sign into our account and then click onto Vault and choose which vault you'd like to go ahead and export. So I'm going to choose my personal vault here. Then from here, I'm going to click on the three dots. You can see all your passwords and all your accounts inside on the right hand side. So click on the three dots, click on export, click on your name. And now we need to go ahead and re-enter the password here. So I'm just going to quickly jot that in. And then go ahead and click on export data, but we've got a few different options here, so we can choose which type of export file format. We got 1PUX, so this file will export all your data. It may include the secret key for your 1Password account, which could risk the security of your account, or you got a CSV. So a comma separated values .csv will export only certain fields. So choose which one. I'm going to do 1PUX and click on export data. And now choose where you like to save it. I'm going to do it in my downloads, click save. And then if it's successful, it's going to say export finish, and then click OK, or you can go ahead and show the file.